Hey guys, I am back with another video, and today I'm going to show you my fidget spinner. Right there, it's a white fidget spinner. Got it for around $5, pretty good. I just decided to just show that. So also, I got my little doggy here. She's very cute. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, I guess, smash that like button. If you want to see my other pets, please like the video, subscribe, turn on notifications, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.